All right, everybody, we're looking at composition of functions here, and what I'm trying to do here is kind of tear apart what is given to me as a composed function. So the one over here, I'll just zoom in on a little bit on it. The one over here that we're given is h of x is equal to the square root of x cubed plus 1. Now, this is even probably a little bit simpler than the previous question here. I know that this is supposed to represent f of g of x. So there are two functions represented here. Well, if you look at what's kind of the overarching function here, that is the square root. So the thing inside of that is very likely going to be my g of x. So g of x will be x cubed plus 1. And the overarching function is going to be the square root of something. Well, I'm assuming that 3x, x cubed plus 1 is replacing the value of x inside f of x. And so those would be, that's a pretty good guess as to what the two functions are. Now that's not the only one that we could, the only pair that we could come up with here, but I think that's probably the most obvious one.